As a programmer, you probably encountered the difficulty of making and debugging Boolean expressions. For example, perhaps you want to allow access to a web page if a user is registered and accessed less than 7 days ago, or as a guest that did not access previously, or to process an open door button if the elevator is not moving and the floor switch is triggered, or the emergency button is held. These expressions can be confusing and difficult to write and debug. FormulaZoo makes it easy. Simply select the binary mode. Select the number of data columns here. Enter the truth table here. Enable the checkbox and click the Start button. The powerful logic engine does the work, saving you time and money. Try FormulaZoo on a truth table today to make programming a little easier.